Have you ever been confused about how to fill in your TDAC when transiting through Seoul, Korea on your way to Thailand? Which flight number should you enter, your first flight or your last? And for the country of departure, do you put Japan or Korea? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fill in your TDAC when traveling on a connecting flight, using a clear step-by-step example. You're flying from Japan, connecting through Korea, and entering Thailand. At this point, many people get confused. Which flight number do I enter? And is my country of departure Japan or Korea? By the end of this video, all of those questions will be answered. Filling in your TDAC involves 3 steps. First, personal information. Second, tourism and accommodation information. Third, health declaration. What we're focusing on today is the tourism information section, which is part of step 2. Inside that section, there are 2 required fields, country or region of embarkation and flight/vehicle number. When traveling with connecting flights, these 2 fields are where most people get confused. For the flight number, do I enter my first flight or my last flight? For the country of departure, is it Japan or Korea where I connected? Let's go through the correct answers now. Let's start with country or region of embarkation. You should enter the country where you first boarded a flight. If you're transiting through Incheon on your way to Thailand, the first country you boarded from is Japan, so select JPN/Japan. Even though you connected through Korea, this field should say Japan, not Korea. Type JPN in the drop-down menu to quickly find the option. Next is the flight/vehicle number field. Here, you enter the flight number of the last flight, the one that arrives in Thailand. That means the flight from Incheon to Chiang Mai or Bangkok, whichever is your final leg, not the flight from Japan to Incheon. For example, if your flight is KE651, enter that number, the flight that lands in Thailand. There's a clear reason behind this method. Japan's own arrival registration system, Visit Japan Web, uses exactly the same rule. The logic is flight number equals the arriving flight, country of departure equals where your journey began. However, I do have one important note for you. I've reached out to the official TDAC support to confirm whether this interpretation is correct. As soon as I receive a response, I'll update the video description and pin a comment with the latest information. Please make sure to check the description box. Let's wrap up. Here's how to fill in your TDAC when entering Thailand on a connecting flight. For country or region of embarkation, select your first country of departure, in this case, Japan. For flight/vehicle number, enter the flight number of your final flight arriving in Thailand. Just remember those 2 points and you'll be fine. And again, since we're still awaiting official confirmation, please check the video description for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I have several other videos about TDAC on this channel. Check the links in the description below. As soon as I receive an official response, I'll report back here on this channel. If you subscribe, you'll be the first to know when new information is available. I'd really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.